Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Wappalyzer. So Wappalyzer is a browser extension, and the browser extension by themselves, they are basically small softwares. They can extend the functionality of browsers. For example, we have Mozilla Firefox browser in front of us, and if you want to add some functionality in it, then we can add these, or we can install these browser extensions, or we can add them. So in our case in Wappalyzer, what happens, let's say we open our browser and we maybe write some URL or some website here, then this request actually goes to some web server. And on this web server, there can be different technologies working. There can be some services, features, they might be running on that website. So that information will be displayed with the help of Wappalyzer. For demonstration of Wappalyzer, I'm using my Kali Linux machine, but you can use any operating system you like because we are only concerned with the browsers. So for demonstration, I'm going to launch this Mozilla Firefox browser, which we have in Kali Linux machine. And when this browser launches, we will search for Wappalyzer. So Wappalyzer, and for this machine, for this browser which I'm using, that is Firefox, and I press enter here. And then when I press enter, you can see this is the first link which I can use here. So that is add-ons mozilla.org. So we click there, and now here on this side you can see it says that add to Firefox. So this add-on is not actively monitored for security by Mozilla. Make sure you trust it before installing. So yes, we trust it, and we click on this add to Firefox, and then you can see this further detail. And so this is, you can see Wappalyzer is a browser extension that uncovers the technologies used on websites. It detects content management system, e-commerce platforms, web servers, JavaScript frameworks, analytics tools, and many more. So you can see here further information about Wappalyzer here, but now we are at the moment for brief demonstration. We are going to click on this add to Firefox. When we click there, it will take some time, and then this browser extension we will have here. So we can read here some message. Yes, we want to add this. The extension will have permission to these all things. We say yes, we know, we understand it, and we clicked on this. And so it says that this technology profiler was added. Okay, and then now we are on this side. So at the moment, for example, we are visiting this https www.wappalyzer.com, and if you want to see what technologies what services what is going on the web server where this specific website is hosted, then we can just click on this extension. You can see this blue in color, that is Wappalyzer. When you go there and then click there, and it should show you, it says that I'm okay with that. So there is some message, read it out, and then say I'm okay with that. And now you can see it has displayed all the technologies implemented on the web server hosting this website. And you can see for analytics, maybe they are using Google Analytics, and you can see Java, for JavaScript frameworks they are using these things. And then issue tracker, for security they have this, and then you can see web framework, and then static site generator. You can have a lot of information which might be helpful. And if for example we are learning, if you are learning ethical hacking, then very first phase is the information gathering phase. So this tool can be very much helpful in the phase of information gathering. So for this site, you can see, you can explore all the details. What is, for example, for platform as a service, they are using Amazon Web Services, and then you have web server. You can have a lot of detail about the web server which is hosting on this link. And the same way, I also have another virtual machine, that is WASP Broken Web Application here, which is a virtual machine which I installed in some other video. I'll put the link of that video as well. And there is some web application hosted on this machine, and the IP address of this machine is 192.168.204.139. So I also want to show you that. Let's say what is here. So if we go here, we open a new tab, and here we can give the IP address of that. So that is 192.168.204, and this is 139. and then press enter. You can see we have landed on the website, which is actually hosted on another virtual machine, that is WASP broken web application. And for this, if we click on this Wappalyzer extension, so now you can see for this machine, which is a virtual machine, or the virtual machine having this web application. So for this, you can see it shows the web server information, maybe programming language information, the operating system, JavaScript library, and the web server extension. So this is something we found on the web application hosted on some of our virtual machine. And the same way, we can also do this for any website we like. And then when we go to that website, we type the website address here, and then we just click on this one, Wappalyzer, and then Wappalyzer will be giving us the information about the technologies, JavaScript, and a lot of information which I just showed you. So thank you very much for your time. Hope to see you in some other video.